This one made quite a few debuts on the blog too. I wore this out. Like, I have quite a few things that I need to donate today. I don't even want to see me holding it right now. I wore this so much. Hey guys, it's me ShaCarey and welcome to another episode of Restyle This With That. And today I'm going to be showing you a few of the things that I definitely need to get out of my wardrobe so that I can prepare to look cute this spring. As y'all can see, I'm surrounded by some clothes that I know I need to be donating today, because even though it's still being a little bit chilly outside, I personally am trying to rush spring into the horizons. Like, I'm tired of layering, I'm tired of winter, I'm tired of all of it. You know what, I'm not even gonna be mad about the rain coming in spring. I just need it to literally go away. So in order to go ahead on and welcome this part of my life, I decided recently that I needed to go through my closet and just declutter a few things. Now granted, there are some things in my closet that I have had for quite a few seasons and I just don't want to see next winter. I don't want to see it in my sight. I got my use out of it. I restyled it as much as I could. So I'm very glad to say that I actually let go quite a bit of stuff. I'm gonna just show y'all a few things that you know, they just not gonna make the cut. They're gonna have to go to somebody else. So one of the first things is just this little shirt. I love this shirt. It's kind of similar to the one that I have on now, but I wore it so much that it's probably gonna be better off going to somebody else. And you know what, I'm not ashamed of it. And of course I did go through all my siblings to see if they wanted anything before I donated it, so this is definitely all just going to donation. And the next thing is this little plaid scarf. I wore this scarf so much on my blog, so much on Instagram. I have had this scarf since college, and I done been out of college for quite some time now, so it's time to let this go. Next winter it's gonna be time for some new stuff. And then this little polka dot navy blue shirt, I wore this till I just couldn't wear it no more. It almost looked like a nightgown. I wore it so much. So this one is definitely going to the bin so somebody else can have it or use it or whatever it is that they're gonna do with it. And another favorite was like my little yellow plaid scarf. This one made quite a few debuts on the blog too. I wore this out. Like, I don't even want to see me holding it right now. I wore this so much, but I'm not gonna complain because it did me justice, and it's already so hard to find nice scarves. And I'm one of those people, like, I do believe that certain things you should keep, but this is one thing that I already know in my heart of hearts I'm not gonna be wearing this next year. And another thing that I also am getting rid of is I wore it. Listen, I probably don't even need to put this in a donation bin, but once you iron it down, it literally looks just like new. And this was like one of my favorite summer things, but I'm already kind of going through the stuff that I wore last summer that I want to keep for this summer and see what it is that I'm just gonna use and not use. And this is one of these things. It's just, I got similar items like this in my closet, so this can definitely go off to someone else. Also too, I wore this quite a bit during this winter time, but this is one of the few items that I did buy this year that is not gonna go with me next year. I just, you know, I got my wear out of it and it was already kind of worn a little bit because I got it from the thrift store, so it was good just for this winter. It was perfect. It served its purpose. I wore it with a lot of cute stuff. I think my favorite way to wear it was with that green dress and the little button down at the front. That was so cute, but this has also served its time as well. This was one of my favorite jumpsuits that I thrifted. Like, I don't even want to see this go, but it's also one of those things, like, I wore it so much that there's some weird things going on with the pockets. Like, the pockets are, like, I can't get them to stay up, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like a lot of wear and tear, and I did try to sew it, but it's like, it's to the point of no return. It's like, let it go. Let it go. Sometimes we gotta let things go in life that we don't want to, and I'm learning it. So this one, he going to the donation bin. Also, I have another scarf. I love this plaid scarf. I got all of these scarves like literally years ago, and they have done its justice. It's time. Like, it's gotta go now. It's served its purpose, and I'm probably not even gonna invest in big chunky scarves for next winter anyways. I'm probably gonna keep it even more simple because we didn't even have that many winter days this year. And when we did, when it was so cold, when it felt like the vortex was outside, I was staying in my house. So I'm probably not gonna invest in these anytime soon. And oh, this polka dot black dress, I wore this a few times over on my blog too. I know I'm not gonna be wearing this in the summertime. I love summer and I love spring and I love bright colors. I'm trying to shed the dark colors, anything that's like dark, black, navy. I don't want to see that this spring and summer. I want to be bright, florally, and cute. So this one, he can go. He got to bite the dust. And then I also wanted to donate this dress as well. It's just this simple black dress with the buttons down the front. I have a lot of other dresses with buttons down the front, so I was like, some of these things in my closet are duplicate items, and if I want to add new pieces into my wardrobe this spring, I really need to go through my closet and figure out what do I have in here that's similar, because I do have quite a few pieces that's similar, and I have so many dresses like this. It is literally unreal. I already showed the orange one that's like this, so this one is in really good condition, and it's long and the buttons down the front, so I'm definitely gonna donate that one. Another scarf, y'all. Scarves is just, they is leaving my wardrobe this year, 2020. These scarves, they gotta go. Like, no, these are in good condition. Somebody else can use them with love. This just ain't gonna be it. So these are definitely some pieces that I wore and wore and wore and wore, so I don't feel bad for getting rid of it. So this can go too. I don't even feel bad. Normally I'd be like, no, I don't want to get rid of this. I want to give, no, this gotta go. And then I also wanted to get rid of this black long sleeve shirt, but you can also wear it as a dress as well, only because it's beading up a little bit. And one thing that I cannot stand that clothes do is if it bead up. If it start beading up or start like having like wear and tear, I have to like either donate it or just it's just gotta go. Like I don't even know, because it is ways I know that online that you can get the beadedness out, but I'm not patient. It takes me 3 years to sew something if I need to sew it. So this one can just go on to the thrift store, and I had bought this in retail a long time ago, so this definitely lasted a very long time. So yeah, that's just a few things that I'm getting rid of in my wardrobe, because I'm just ready for spring, y'all. I'm ready for new outfits. I'm ready to go out and see what it is that's gonna be out on the racks this year, and even if it's stuff from last year or this year, I'm very excited to go see it. But literally I felt like I couldn't move forward until I cleaned out my closet, because it's so hard to go shopping when you got stuff that you feel like you know you're not gonna wear, or you wore a lot and you're not really feeling no more. I cleaned out a whole lot of stuff, and then I brought to the front some stuff that I know that I probably need to wear a little bit more while it is a little chilly outside, and things that I know that I'm definitely gonna keep for next year. So before I go, just let me know down in the comments, what are some things you know you need to get rid of in your wardrobe, whether it's that pair of shoes that's been way at the back, or that shirt that you probably didn't wore one too many times that you want to let go. Let me know in the comments down below. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.